August 24, 2001. We are about to go to the ship party for Windows XP. I tell you, your grandparents are going to hear about this.
Is this a better product than Exchange 2000?
Absolutely not.
Windows XP, even amongst all the incredible products that our company ships, Windows XP is the base station. It's the ground zero. It is the product that will reignite the love affair that people have with their personal computers. 500 million people, hopefully 600 million pretty soon, but 500 million people around the world. It's the backbone of our 7 to 10 billion, and I hope growing business. And you had that chance, and you took it, and I know everybody's just busted their asses. And for that, I say congratulations, I say thank you, and I say today, let's make it a great... Turn it back on, I'm not done!
What group are you guys in, and what did you do for XP?
Microsoft typography, we did all the fonts.
Wow, and did they work?
Oh, yeah, they do.
Wow.
My name's Chris. My name's Brent. We're both with the audio testing.
Neil Delos, I work on DirectX Multimedia. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
I'm Sean. I used to work on UPnP. I don't anymore. I'm crashing this party.
I guess XP. Scripting in XP.
My name's Lauren. I work for Windows XP. Dave Wilson. I worked on the UI images.
Derek Brown. I'm a developer in the Server Admin Tools group. I help develop the Active Directory property pages for the Search the Active Directory section, and I also worked on various other parts of it. In fact, I was actually the original author of the task scheduler way back when in Windows 2000.
Hi, I'm Brian Walton. I worked on the security and the certificate management user interface for Windows XP.
I'm Ritesh. I'm in the server admin team for the XP team, and I work on Object Picker and Active UI.
I'm John Newman. I own the computer management snap-in and about 1 million other administrative snap-ins in Windows XP.
So I'm Jim Herriger. I manage the server admin tool.
My name is Steve Burns. I did local account management for Windows XP.
Hey, say hi!
Hey, you live to be 103, shot dead by a jealous lover.
I'm calling in sick on Monday. We got Tuesday, we should go out to scripting those movies and see like what's the line.
I have in front of me Sarosh and Navjot, who are the recent hires in the file systems team. Sarosh works for the local file systems team, and Navjot works for the remote file systems team.
I recently started, so I've been working on testing the clustering and the fix of the server that's still coming out in a couple of months.
We did the Windows product activation part. Your drivers.
Your drivers.
I'm Amit. I work on disk management. I'm Pete. I work on digital signatures, remote storage, disk manager, and rootable storage now.
All right. We always have a special guest at the WIMS, usually. And this year, with Windows XP, over the course, we actually created a new JDP program. We created the Real People, Real Places program. Real people, real data, real people, real everything. We went out and we installed PCs in people's homes, and we let them install them. And we actually picked families around the world, and we went out and let them install PCs, videotaped them, and asked them their feedback on XP and hoped we could make the product better. I want to read just a short letter I got back of the many letters that I got back from those RDP people. Being part of the RPRD, Real People, Real Data program, has been one of the most rewarding things I have done in my whole 75 years. The Microsoft people whom I've come in contact with have been outstanding, friendly, easy to work with, and eminently qualified. Obviously, they haven't met you yet. He didn't say that, I'm sorry. I am impressed. The treatment we have received has made us extremely loyal to Microsoft. It's all about loving our customers. And the letter came from Howard and Martha Thomason. Thank you very much for helping us out. We got a little gift for Howard and Martha. It's signed by the war team. The gift says, a new OS for a new generation of computer users. Microsoft Windows XP. And on the back it says, we use Windows XP and we love it. So Howard and Martha, thank you for being part of the program. All right, thank you.
Okay, your job is to make sure that nobody comes up behind me, because I already knocked over a woman's fruit plate.
Shell team, dev manager, shell team. Instead of dev manager, right here, Mike Schmidt.
Tom Marion, we're done setup.
Josh Rice. What do you do? I'm a PM for the networking team.
Keith Hageman, technical evangelist, working on the OEMs pre-installing with manufacturing initiatives. XP was a great experience. People are going to love it in the world. I've already got email inbound saying scoring the new tools in the 8.
This is Scott Evans, test manager for reliability and stress and all that kind of fun stuff.
I'm Carrie, and I don't do anything because I just start on Monday.
New hire!
New hire!
New hire!
I'm Jonathan Griffin, network device test lead.
I work on the compiler back end. Basically, we help make this happen. I work for this guy. I don't know anything else.
Apparently he's a bad guy to work for. You guys were finding bugs last night?
He's tough. He works 24 hours a day, 9 days a week for this guy.
Here's developers relaxing. More candid shots of developers. Here's the security brain trust.
Yes. I want to be seen on the wall of the Smithsonian.
Hi, I'm Shannon Verbeck, and I worked on DirectX. We were the ones who made Windows XP ready for the gamer. It was great. It was a lot of fun.
Hi, my name is Sharon Slade, and I am the editor for IS, and I like how easy the new interface is.
My name is Jeff Fisher. I'm the lab manager for National Interactive Service Division under Kai-Fu Lee, and that incorporates both speech.net and natural language.
Hi, I'm Sarika Sharma. I work in my team in Windows XP, and it's been a great experience.
There's the free t-shirt line. I think I'll wait a while.
I worked on IE6 and today we're celebrating Windows Experience.
I'm Neil Malik, and I was on the server appliance kit, and XP is great to use.
Hi, my name is Sydney. I'm WMI team, and I love XP.
Hi, my name is Gerardo. I worked on WMI providers. WMI is a great infrastructure for distributed management.
John Jackson on the Windows GDK, and XP is awesome.
Hi, I'm Kurt Hunter. I'm the program manager for Windows Movie Maker, and I love Windows XP.
Hi, I'm Ryan Matsu. I'm a test engineer for the SMS QFE group, and we love Windows XP.
I'm Steve Jenkins, and I'm a program manager in Windows Networking.
Welcome. I ain't ready to sing yet. We're not there yet.
I'm Christina Son, and Windows XP will have the coolest DVD support ever.
Alright, I'm Dan. I work on Codex, part of the digital media division. And we make digital media look great.
Hi, my name is Sava Shkuman, and I work on home networking. Basically, everybody who plays a game uses my modules, so play it safe.
I'm Eugene, and I'm working on Windows Media.
My name's Josh Kane. This is Lila Kane. I worked on the UI for the Windows Media Player, and Lila helped me test it.
I'm Joe Cool, and I'm the HCT test lead.
I'm Terry Rosemary. I also am the documentation lead for the HCT group.
My name's Leslie, and I am the HCT release manager.
Hi, my name is Sardar Turan. I'm from Turkey, and just joined to Microsoft and just started using XP, and I think XP is great.
Hi, I'm Yang, and I work on MSN Explorer, the next consumer internet browser for Windows XP, and I like the best part about XP is the X in XP, because my last name starts with an X, and it's also got 2 letters, and so does XP. Yeah.
Hello, I am Gertrude Johnson, and I work on the all-out server.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I work in finance, and I love Windows XP.
And Tech, Cat, Windows software test engineer.
My name is Mike. I'm in finance, and XP rocks.
My name is Nadine Kano, and I didn't do a whole lot to help with this product,
Oh, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. So who are you the admin for?
I'm not an admin, I'm actually the communications manager for Tim Austin and Brian Valentine.
And you think you didn't do anything for this release?
Yeah, probably not a whole lot.
Yeah, how much did you keep off of their shoulders? How many problems did you solve for these guys?
Well,
how much did you fire up a team of thousands of developers?
I just help them communicate the message, that's all.
And you think that's nothing?
Not a whole lot. Not compared to what all the programmers, testers, and program managers do. You go say hi to the dinosaur! Let's go for the dinosaur!
Brandon McMillan, Program Manager at Pat. Application Experience.
Blake Underwood, OEM Recon. My name's Chad Knowlton. I work in Windows Media, and XP is the most exciting piece of software that's ever been made.
My name is Quentin Pitbull. I worked on the client for Windows Media, and something I don't know. That you have to win one of these things in order to get them.
Kip, I worked on Media Player, Windows XP.
That's what he had bunny ears for Windows XP. I just ATI mobile video, and he didn't do nothing. That's it.
Doug Wyatt, Network Device Driver.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Baseley, the tester for the XP Internet games.
And I'm Justin Brown, a developer for the XP Internet games.
I'm Momo Wazet. I did line of business testing on Windows XP, and it is one awesome product.
Carol Stubbs, application compatibility, customer advocate.
Hi, my name is Tim Don. I work with the Internet Explorer, and the Explorer is the platform that makes everything great.
Hi, I'm Ann Cohen-Keel, design anthropologist for Real People, Real Data. And Windows XP rocks.
Hey, I'm Ravi. I'm working on remote access service, and man, I love XP. See?
My name is Jared Davis. I work in the digital media division, testing the codecs, and XP is great.
Hey, I'm Project, and I work for IT. We are great here at Windows XP. Cool.
Debbie Newman, I worked on Multimedia and Internet Explorer.
I'm Ken Harder, and I built the documentation for IIS and Complex.
I'm Norman James, and I worked on HTML plus time in Internet Explorer.
My name's Sarah Schumacher. I'm on the server appliance team, and I didn't work on XP, but I like using it. It's a lot of fun.
I'm John Mueller. I worked on Internet Explorer 6 and Windows XP, which is the best operating system ever.
My name's Aaron Tunset with the codec for Windows Media, testing the codecs, and it's a lot of fun working with XP.
I'm Mike. I worked on Windows ISP, testing internet service providers in our lab.
And I'm Janessa, and I did the same thing.
Hi, I'm Phil Ofrenara. I worked on Windows Media DRM. I worked on DRMK for Windows XP, and I'm glad we've shipped, and I'm not working on DRMK anymore. Hi, I'm Mike Hilberg, and I worked on Internet Explorer. That's it. Hey, I'm Dave Pereira. I worked on Windows Media DRM with the Philman, and we're from Jersey. Hi, I'm Jim Alcove. I worked on Windows Media Player and Windows Media DRM.
Yeah, that would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Yeah. Show them the video, that's always a good idea.
My name is Douglas Goodwin. I'm working on the Windows resource kits, the deployment guides, and Windows XP rocks, and it's awesome.
My name's Peggy Goodman, and I'm a program manager on Internet Explorer, which is shipped with XP, and it's great. You know, what can I say? This is like the rockiest product I could work with.
All right. This is the scripting team. Everybody say hi.
Hi. Hey, how you doing? My name is Jason Hoover. I work for the Windows XP Joint Development Program. Product rocks.
My name's Scott Carney. I worked on Windows XP. Windows XP is immortal, just like I am now.
Hi, my name is Mike Edgar. I work on Windows XP, and I'm in the management group with XP rocks.
Hi, my name is Andrew. I work in Windows XP, and my team is WMI Windows Management Instrumentation.
Mike Whalen. Oh, Kirk Hilsey. We're work for scripting. Yeah, programmability team scripting. Woo!
Hi, my name is Andrew Brenner. I'm a program manager on the Real Data team, and we're bringing Windows XP to every person in the world. Hi, my name is Jason. I work in Windows XP Group, and I using the WMI a lot. It's a really great interface. Please use it.
Hello, my name is Steve. I work with Internet Hosting Services, and Windows XP is going to be the next best software out there. It's going to be the best OS Microsoft has ever put out. It's combining NT and Windows home systems. You can't beat it. Great. Good job, guys.
Hi, my name is Michael. I work for Internet Hosting Services, right on XP.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Parsons. I'm with the Windows Typography Group. We're part of Windows International. And Windows XP is the first operating system that is truly global. Go for it.
Hey, I'm Dan. I worked on Internet Explorer.
Woo! Hi, I'm Tracy Schwinn, and I'm really proud to say I'm working with real people, real data, and it's a fantastic experience. I think it's a wonderful thing to have going on in the world.
I'm Stan Pennington. I'm the Direct Show Program Manager, and as part of DirectX, we make multimedia rock on Windows XP.
Somebody give that man a kiss. This man needs a kiss right here.
Hi, I'm Ed Mercer. I'm the Project Manager for the Windows Media. Start again.
Cut. All right, my name is CJ Henderson. I'm also a program manager working on the Real People Data program, and excited about XP. Awesome product. Use it.
Hi, I'm Ed Mercer, and we are the Men in Black. Whenever you see that red flashing thing, you know your memories are being saved for good. I work on management portal. I have done stress testing on XP.
Steve Gallagher worked on IE. Woo!
Hi, my name is Dan Black, and I work on the Windows Shell team, and I'm responsible for all those crazy little button sounds that you hear, that intro music, all those little bings and dongs and things like that, and the multimedia tour that you fly through and stuff like that, the music that you're listening to. Having a great time working on Windows Shell. Having a great time. It's a great product. It's a good time. Microsoft. Windows XP. Life is good.
I say that this rocks. Yeah, XP.
Yay!
Hi, I'm Jennifer Harrison. And I'm Monica Rockwell. And I worked on XP with the Joint Development Program with our enterprise customers and was the JDP representative in XP War, which rocked.
And I'm working on the positioning for Windows.NET Server, so I'm a little bit aware of XP, but mostly just using all of that technology and seeing how it fits into Windows Server.
I'm Terry Duffy. I'm the group localization manager. My group gets Windows translated into, 32 languages.
Hi, my name is Shomak, and I love XP. I'm working on the security part of the XP, and it's great. It's going to rock the industry.
Hi, my name is Dayton Ross. I work for Windows Update. We worked on the Windows Update side. It's called V4 for XP. It's going to be great. To help with support services, you guys should all go out and buy it.
My name is Guru Purna. I worked on XP device kit support.
Kerwin, and I'm on a remote client for SMS.
You're in SMS.
I'm Joseph. I work for SMS, and we are deploying Windows XP and the desktops in enterprise systems.
Hey, my name is Young First with the Windows localization team. Korean kicks butt!
Hi, Sheldon Fisher from the Windows Media team in the Digital Media Division, and we ship Movie Maker, one of the hot components of Windows XP.
Hi, my name is Vidya. I worked in Zero Administration for Windows XP. It works great. You should try it on your machines, and that's it.
Hi, my name is Michael Langowski, and I work for Career Support, supporting IIS. My favorite thing about XP is that the zip extension is built in.
Hi, my name is Eric Dow, and I'm a program manager with IIS. Best thing about XP is the digital camera support. Being able to hook up your digital camera via USB port, just download your photos and print them or upload them to the web. Best damn thing I've ever seen.
Hi, I'm Adam Miller. I'm a lead writer in Internet Information Services, and this is great. What can I say?
I'm Sean Shakarian, and I'm on the IIS team. And my favorite thing about XP is probably the automatic wireless support, because it's so cool getting your email in the airport.
Hi, I'm Cyrus. I work for IIS and do testing for DVDs. Basically, we do testing for XP products, and right now we're doing testing on servers.
Dave Hershey. I work on automated system recovery. Yes, it works. Yes, it ships.
Oh, many things. The last media is mine. The last part, he was the one to close it at 9:15 today.
You're the last one with the bug, huh? It's record setting. I'm glad I got the video.
Yo! Hello?
My name is Steve B, and I work for Brian and Ian. They say it's ready. I say bark like a dog and go sell the best operating system for the best PC ever in the history of man. Hallelujah! All right. Yeah, baby. I'm not done yet with you or anything else. All right. You out there in the back of the wall, congratulations! You shipped the finest piece of software ever! Thank you! We normally do the Weekly World News, but we're not doing the Weekly World News this week. All through the shipment of Windows XP, I have had a secret management consultant team work with me. All right, some executives use McKinsey, but I don't use McKinsey, I use the dudes. So dudes, come on up. So, every week I would go to the dudes and I'd say, are we really going to make it? And I would go to the dudes and I'd say, are we really going to make it? And what would you guys say? Dude. All right, last but not least of the new hire list, we have Microsoft new hire number 1. Bill.
Six years ago, we launched Windows 95, and that was the last time we really changed computing, built a platform, made the things people were doing better, and really let people go on to do neat new things. And this morning, I'm sure you probably all heard those helicopters take off. That's the kind of PR it takes to make people understand what a big event this is. You all work super hard. I remember meeting with Brian and Soma and some people about 7 months ago and sort of saying, hey, the fall doesn't look too good. Looking at the numbers weren't coming up. And, we had all these plans. And we kept saying, should we tell the PC channel guys to get going? Should we get these ads together? Should we really plan for this thing? And Ian, Soma, Brian, Jim all sat there and said, okay, I think we can do this. And at the time, I think we were a little skeptical. Oh, you were very skeptical, but you know what convinced me? Not that you're ever skeptical, cynical, or emotional about anything like that. But I went to the dudes, and the dudes said, it's cool, man. You can do it. You can do it. And they did it. And you did it. So I sit here surprised and impressed and thankful that this new era in computing has begun. Fantastic, thanks.
My favorite thing about Windows XP is it will make my father stop calling me with support requests. The new user interface, they finally changed the user interface again. I think it provides a much better user experience.
I like the breathability of XP firewall. You can protect your computer very well.
I just love the drive that people have here. I mean, I've worked on XP for the last 2 months, just before it's releasing to manufacturing, and the drive people have, the way things get done here, is just amazing.
And I don't think there's a better place, if you want to work in operating system, I don't think there's a better place than Microsoft. Who makes better OSs than Microsoft does? I mean, there's no other. There just simply isn't any other OS which runs on so many machines as Windows does. So why would I want to go anywhere? This is the best place to do OS.
WebDAV is a new driver. It's a new method for the customer to access the web, and the way they have been accessed the intranet, use the SMB protocol. So WebDAV is it's a very, very compelling feature for XP, and with the encryption function on WebDAV, it enables user to store the data on the web safely, so they don't worry about the security anymore. So they can trust the storage out there, anywhere on the internet.
Speak a little bit about client-side encryption. How do you feel about that?
Oh, I think this is the awesomest feature. I mean, the awesomest feature. I would jump now. It is just so good to see this encryption on the internet. The first file system on the internet that, in fact, the first operating system, the first client, that client that is enabling every single user to encrypt his documents on the internet and to finally have, go to his bed, sleep, and know that all his documents, no one would have access to them, no one can delete, can play around with them, peek at them. This is just so cool.
Windows 95 was a big jump from Win 3.1, and I see a similar jump from Windows 95 to Windows XP, where the user experience has taken another quantum jump with respect to just the graphics, the experience that one feels. It has also benefited, in my view, from the tremendous effort that was put in during Windows 2000, on which the Windows XP is based. And I'm sure that consumers are going to love it. They're going to find the stability and the general reliability of the Windows platform an order of magnitude better than they've ever seen before.
I have been thrilled with the experience. I came on board for the Dev Redirector Core team after they had shipped Beta 1, and I have been really impressed with the support I got, with how much every one of us was so, passionate about this feature, how much they wanted to see the whole thing coming together, and I could not treat this experience with anything else.
Cool.
I think we have done an amazing job, and the fact that we went the extra mile for every single, little thing we have seen, with such a commitment to ship a reliable file system that is comparable in performance and in reliability and best features and taking the experience of other file systems and putting all of this with an integration on the internet was so good.
So I started just out of college at Microsoft, and when I came here, we were right in the midst of finishing up XP the last year with all the debugging. It was really crazy. I had to hit the ground running just like it was a startup and get up to speed where I understood the code and really get in there so I could add some value to XP. It was really exciting.
I helped work on XP, and I think XP is hot. It's going to be the next big thing.
I love Windows XP because it is so easy to install and use and so reliable. I installed it on my home system, and it is light years better than Windows 9X.
Feature which I like most is the rock solid stability of the system. What I really like about Windows XP is the way it deals with digital photos and stuff. I got a digital camera, and it's really cool.
What I like most about it is that it resumes from suspend much faster than Windows 2000.
XP is actually a pretty good experience from the beginning. We are in the schedule has been pretty exciting. It's not as big as the Windows 2000, which takes more than 4 years. So XP, it takes shorter time, and everybody is excited about it, and we deliver this on schedule. That's the main thing.
The performance for the SMB reader in XP is actually going to be a lot better than in Win2K. We added a lot of new features to speed things up when you're going over your network and to deal with your new high-speed gigabit networks. It's one of the key features we put into SMB for Windows XP.
You want a party?
Hi, Mom!
All the way.
So cool. Jim Alton is playing the guitar for us.
That's right!
gives me review every Friday for the last several months now. Thanks.
XP is great.
Great! It's an awesome OS! I love it!
I couldn't believe that something that Joe Belfiore's team put on the system could be such an awesome thing. Take a look at this picture. Well, maybe not this exact picture, but the one that's on the box and on the system. You're going to see around the world that image used more than any other image between now and the end of the year. It's going to be on TV. It's going to be on taxis. It's going to be on buildings. It's going to be on print. It's going to be on people. It's going to be everywhere. You guys did this. You're going to bliss people out. Can you guys get a close-up of these boxes up on the screens? These are hot off the press, like today. Look at them. They're not the dumpy old boxes from the past. These are cool. And you know what happened 6 years ago, right on this field? Do you know what happened on August 24th, 1995? Right out here? Yeah! And our product is so much better!
Hey, you're on video.
Get the tattoo!
You shipped XP. Oh, hang on, let me zoom in on that. Look at that tattoo.
Kicks ass. If I say kicks ass, I'm going to say kicks ass. It kicks ass.
That just kicks ass.
Windows Media rules!
Finding bugs all night, fixing vacuum and bit caps, Whistler's fun downs.
All the way. My name is Steve West. I'm in the base case team.
I'm G. I ship development kits.
That's for Windows. That's for customers. That's for developers.
It's for developers. It's a separate product.
You ship XP DDKs?
DDKs, HDKs, IFS kit, HOW kit, and even processor kit.
In other words, the guys who build hardware and software drivers for Windows couldn't possibly do what they did for XP without your product.
Not even a chance.
So don't tell me that you didn't do anything for XP, Gene.
I don't think I want to do that.
Yeah. Perhaps we should find out.
We bring the voice of the consumer to Microsoft! Woo! 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 Response rule! XP rocks!
What's that? Oh, that's cute.
Good to see your Windows XP, the best we've got right now. Woo!
Give us your feeling here.
Lines are too long for the food. I'm hungry.
Multimedia rocks!
Woo!
Why don't you go and get something to eat? Complete shortcake. Already? You want shortcake?
Okay, Tom is demonstrating the only food you can get without standing in line.
What kind of store?
Yeah!
XP rocks. Rocks what? Rocks. Rocks hard. Cool. Yeah, I can see that. I don't know. If she wrapped, you never let a snake wrap all the way around you.
Seiko, what do you think? All right! Woo!
I love XP. I don't know what to say about it. It's just fantastic. The best scripting ever.
XP. I think it rocks. Everybody on the planet should own
Yeah, make it all. Yeah.
This guy actually showed up for the party.
Thank you.
There goes XP.